including the following areas: in southeast North Carolina, Bladen, Columbus, and Robeson. In northeast South Carolina, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Marion, Marlboro, Northern Horry, and Williamsburg. Through late tonight, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will develop this afternoon and continue into tonight. These storms will be capable of producing locally heavy rainfall and may be slow-moving. Expect rapid rises on area streams and creeks. Flooding may develop along stream beds and in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Drivers can expect rapidly changing visibilities and intense rainfall and ponding of water on roadways. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here are the new and